Hey children, in our last session we discussed the matching. It was quite a tricky and logical matching about relations. Now we are going to move ahead with exercise 4th, that is answer briefly. Okay, so that is your question answers basically. So we are moving ahead with them. Okay, so first we'll discuss each and every one of it and then we'll refer to the answers. Okay, so first is, what is a family? Our first question is, what is a family? So children, we all know family क्या होती है? The people who live with us in our home are the members of our family, and it is only our family. So basically family is related to our home. जो हमारे साथ में रहता है वो हमारी family है, right? Let's check out the answers also. Here we go. Okay, so the answer says all the people who live with you in your house makes your family. Clear children? Let's move ahead. Very easy, right? Next is, what is a joint family? So they are asking you about joint family. Children, here remember, they can also ask you about nuclear family and single parent family. So you need to be well informed about all the three types of family. But here they are asking about joint family. So what is a joint family, children? I told you it's a family where parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins, everybody that stays together in same home, that is called a joint family, right? So we know the answer, we can write it down ourselves in our words. Still, let's look at the answer here. Yeah, here is the answer. Second one, it is saying a family in which parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins live together is called a joint family. Clear, children? Very clear definition of joint family. Let's move ahead and see what is our third question, children. Third question, a very important question, children. It is saying, what are hereditary features? Children, hereditary features. While explanation also, I told you about traits. There was a word in the chapter, traits, then it was resemblance, and I told you all of these are related through hereditary. So what is hereditary? Children, you might have heard about DNA, but हमें पता नहीं होता DNA क्या होता है, बहुत बार सुनते हैं. So basically this DNA is also related to this hereditary. And what is hereditary? Why is this word so important? So hereditary basically means passing on the characteristics from one generation to another generation. For example, your parents have some certain characteristics, and when you are born, they have passed on their characteristics to you. So this is hereditary. Okay, what are hereditary features? So for features, we have the features which have been passed on to us by our parents are known as hereditary features. Easy, children? Let's quickly see. It is the similarities. The similarities, very important word here, children. Similarities that are passed on from one generation to another are called hereditary features. What, children? Clear? Okay. Next, let's move ahead. Next question says, what are identical twins? Very easy, children. While discussing the chapter, I made you highlight identical twins, then triplets, everything we have done in the chapter. So identical twins are twins that look exactly like each other are called identical twins. Again, children, twins that look exactly like each other are identical twins. Okay, so we are done with our question answers, and this is your homework, children. Okay, let me mark it homework. This is your homework. You have to write a short essay on my family in your notebook. Okay, a very short essay, a paragraph sort of, but you have to write. This is your homework. Let's move to the next chapter in the next session. Till then, revise all the hard words, all the exercises and question answers of the chapter. Go through the chapter, and most important, do your homework.